Hi everyone, welcome back to CrochetRocks. My name's Tracy and you can see this, so that means I have something to show you. Now, I was approached by Sadie from Sadies Spincraft to see if I would have one of her hanks to review and to show. So I said yes, and this is the package has arrived. So I already cut the top so that I wouldn't be struggling. And here we are. It's in this lovely wrapper, tissue paper wrapper, and it's got a little sticker on there that says Sadies Spincraft. And I did wonder why the sticker was the wrong way, but I think it's because it then stuck to the envelope, which made it more secure. So inside the parcel there is something else I noticed. Let me just have a little look at this letter that's come with it. They're wax melts. Oh, they're beautiful. So she's included this wax melt so that when I'm using this yarn I can have this lovely gentle aroma to enjoy it even more. So there's also some washing instructions. To wash in warm water and lay flat to dry. So that's the washing instructions for the yarn. That's cool. And on the back there's various bits and pieces of contact information where you can find Sadie. So what I'll do is I will put them all quite detailed in the description box, and my blurb's always in there, but I'll put it at the top so it's easier for you to find if you need to see it. There's her YouTube channel, which is Sadies Spincraft. Then at Instagram, she's at Sadies Spincraft, all one word. So that's 2 S's, one for Sadies, one for Spincraft, but it's just one word. And then Facebook page / shop is Sadies Spincraft, just 2 words. And her email address, sadiesspincraft@gmail.com. Again, 2 S's where it's Sadies and Spincraft. But they will all be in the description box for you to find quite easily. So it comes wrapped in this lovely, I haven't looked at it yet, lovely tissue paper, which is lovely and bright orange. So let's unveil, shall we? Nicely wrapped. Ooh. So obviously Sadie knows that I like blue, so we have this lovely deep blue. Let's see what it says. This is blend is 100% super fine merino, and it is gorgeous and soft. And it's got 204 meters, and the name of the color is Tanzanite. I've got a few Tanzanite rings. I have to say I love Tanzanite. It's a gemstone if you didn't know. So this is 100 grams and a DK weight. So I've got this little doodad to put my yarn around it, and it is so soft, seriously. It's beautiful. And the actual spin, I'll try and find the end. You can, or a loop at least. You can see just how well spun that is. Isn't that lovely? It's just so lovely. It's really, really nice. So soft. I'm not going to unhank it because I haven't got a Swift. So I won't be able to open it up and it will just be on there. So if I do that now, I've seen it done, how people hank it back up again, but I've never tried it. So to do that on camera, I will probably make a complete and utter fool of myself, which wouldn't be good. But this is absolutely beautiful. Seriously, it's so soft. It's really lovely spin. Really, really lovely, and a lovely spin. So it's been spun. Lovely. Really getting my words in a kerfuffle, but you can see just how even and lovely that looks. Feels so good. Feels so good. So soft, and it's got that lovely kind of, I don't know if anybody else feels like yarn has a lovely nutty smell, but it does. It's just got a beautiful smell to it. But that is lovely. I really, really am impressed, and I can't wait to use it and to use my wax melt while I'm using it. That's phenomenal. Seriously, really, really lovely work, Sadie. That is just beautiful. Really is. So I'm definitely going to pop over to Sadie and have a look, and What would be really cool is if I found this particular one being done on Sadies Spincraft. Wouldn't that be cool? You could see the life of this hank, but I'm not saying it is. It probably isn't. But if you haven't found her already, please do. Now, as I said, the link will be below in the description box, and I might make the first comment as well. And so, because I know that a lot of people don't know how to navigate around as well as others, so I'll make it the first comment as well, and I'll pin that to the top so it's always the first comment. But that's just lovely. Thank you so much for letting me have some and to review it. It feels like it's going to be absolutely lovely to work with. It's all nice and even. I know that that's probably just a little stray fibre, but there's nothing. It's just so no stray fibres, no hairy bits. Just so well done. I have to say, very impressed with it so far, and I love the colour. It's beautiful, really is. Nice and even, definitely a DK weight. It's just lovely. Thank you so much, Sadie. I will definitely have a little play with it. Oh look, there's a little stitch marker. I didn't see that was on the inside, but there. Oh, that's so cute. Little owl, a little owl on a branch. Is that lovely? Oh, bless your heart. Thank you very much for thinking of me, and I really love it. I'm going to wind it up very soon. As luck would have it, I've got a stool with legs just the right distance apart for winding. I don't know if I just mentioned that or not, but I will be winding it into a ball, and then I shall cake it and definitely make something with it. Wow, love it. Thank you very much. I love the stitch marker, and I love the wax melts. Gorgeous. And thank you for the washing instructions and the little note, and I will definitely put all the information that you need. So definitely pop over. If you haven't subscribed to her already, then please do, and I'll put all the links below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe everyone, take care, and bye for now.